Hey y'all, today we've got another eBay order. This one here is going out to a Calvert G out of Toms River, New Jersey. So Mr. Calvert, here's your carburetor spacer. We're gonna get it sent to you in the mail, so you can get your project back underway. I don't know how long it's gonna take to get it from us to New Jersey, but we're sending it to you. So, but we do appreciate your order. And this here is our main YouTube channel, Dixie Customs. Beth wrote you a note on the back side of it. So if you check that out, we'd highly appreciate that. We'll get this in the mail to you Monday morning. And that way you can get your project back in the road. All right, there you go, sir. Appreciate your order. Your package is on its way, and hope to help you out another time.